We are live. So you can do git reset, uh, git space reset,
That's it.
space minus minus hard, HARD, head space, capital head, head, and the tilde sign.
That's it.
It's capital. Everything is in caps. Head for head. Yeah,
Okay. That's it.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So now you can do git pull.
Okay.
Okay.
That looks like it did it. Now I
Yes.
should
So if you
jump.
go to the extensions tab above that platform IO on the left side, left, there is this platform IO ant, right? Ant icon. Uh, there is an ant icon, yeah. So that is the extensions tab, yeah. And just type in git. So yeah, install the first one, the git graph. So this will give you a visual graph of how the tree looks. I like it, but yeah, there are many of them. But this is one of the extensions I use.
Okay.
So now if you go to the Git tab on the left, the third one on the left, not that. You clicked on the extensions tab, right?
This one
Now,
gets
no,
no.
left on the left bar. Yes, now that one, source control. Yes, click on that. And now you see the Git graph icon on the top of that bar, the source control tick. Yes, click that. Yeah, you are click that. So not two buttons from there.
This one.
Yes, that one. No, the one after that. The one after that. Yes.
Monkey remote control mode is on.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. View.
Yeah. So this is how the tree looks. So when you have branches, you will see everything. So now you see the black dot, blue dot
Yeah.
on the, yeah. So that means your current commit is that one on main.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Uh,
Uh, so now if you go to the files tab on the left, you see that source control and then the files here. Left. Yes, that one.
okay.
And now open main.py. Yeah, if you can expand the editor. Yes. So you can change line 91 to your own Farcaster handle
Okay.
and save it and then go scroll up. Mm, a little more. Okay. So you will have to start your ESP32 and get the IP address and change it.
Okay.
It
This
should
should.
connect to the same one. It was it 10.0.8.8 or something.
All right. It's on. So this will need to be the other VS Code editor, which I also have open. Hold on. Again, too many things open on my computer. Sorry. Okay. Let's see. Where is my? Damn it! Too many things obscuring other things. Okay. All right. This will be Tumblr ESP32. Okay. Let me switch. There really should be easy way to switch between windows. Okay. Which one are you guys seeing now? Still the Farcaster one or the other one?
No, the platform I want.
Okay.
So if your Tumblr is connected, you open the serial monitor in here.
Okay, let me see if I remember. It's
I think it's the plug icon on the right. Yeah. Yes.
there we go.
Okay.
Why am I getting two side by side panes?
That is the right one is the list of terminals you have.
Okay.
So if you reset your Tumblr,
Okay. I see. I need a screwdriver or something to reach in. It's the little white button on the board, right?
yes.
I really need better light. Where the hell is it? Okay, why am I not finding it? It's not on your extension board, right? It's on the main board.
Yes, it's on the main Arduino board. But have you connected it with the serial uh, cable?
Oh, I have to connect it with serial cable.
Yes.
It's not already automatically on.
Yeah, actually, what we should do is like on the root Tumblr server, it should have a small HTML page uh, having the IP address shown. So you can just go to the Tumblr IP address in a browser and then you get the. No, but for even for that, you already need the IP. So
Oh, where the hell does this connect? Sorry, it's been a while, and I've lost orientation on this board now. Where is the serial connection board?
so you have the USB-C, right?
Yep.
USB-C. So USB-C to your Mac.
Well, it's a USB A, but I have an adapter. But I'm trying to find the one on the board, which is
It's on the other side. It's on the left side where the plugin board is. Yeah. The other opposite side. Yeah. So no, the
yeah.
USB-C will. Yeah, the USB-C will go to the Tumblr, and then the USB-A can go to the Mac.
There you go. Give me a second. Oh man, I really have to get efficient at this. If I can find the damn thing. This is God. This is again not a USB C. Do I even have? Yes, finally found one. Okay. And
So you can plug that in to the Arduino.
okay, I just plugged it in, and I need to reset now.
Yes. Try to reset.
Sorry, my eyesight is getting worse by the day, and now I'm hunting for the reset switch again.
It's the white button on the Arduino. Yeah, I should have brought that button out, but I brought the wrong pin out.
Why am I struggling so much to find? All right, hold on. Let me see if I have a headlight. I'm gonna try and maybe use this. Okay, that's slightly better light. Getting blind.
Young, young.
Wait, this is on the main board.
Yeah, it's difficult to reach.
Is it under the part where your thing is?
No, it's you have the Arduino on the plug-in board, right? It's on the Arduino board, the Arduino Nano board. It might be difficult to reach.
Yeah, but I'm not even seeing it. I don't know where it
Uh,
is.
so there is a small white button on the Arduino itself,
That's
not
what.
on the plugin board, but on the Arduino.
Yeah, that's where I'm looking. But
It's near the USB port,
ah,
next to it.
wait, why have I plugged it the USB into your? I think I plugged the USB into the ESP32, right?
Yes, that is correct.
Okay.
And just behind that USB port on the Arduino, there is a small white button.
Ah, now I see it.
Yes, yeah. It's quite tricky to get access to it.
Wait. No, I'm not seeing it. God damn it.
Uh,
No, no.
Wait, I'll bring my.
Yeah, I don't know why I'm having so much trouble finding it. I found it easily last time.
You can. Okay. You can remove the plugin board. That way, it might be easier. So we'll get the IP. That is what we need it for, right?
Okay, hold on. No, plugin board is not sitting properly. Are you showing me on your Tumblr?
Yeah. So I'll remove the plugin board. Remove the plugin board.
Hold on.
Just remove it.
Then it'll be hard to put it back in. All right, there we go. All right. Now this is stuck inside.
Okay.
Okay, there we go. Okay, now we
Yeah.
don't need the tumbler at all, right? We can just work with this.
Now, yeah. Just connect
Okay. Oh, I
and
thought you said it was on the white button is on this.
yes, on the Arduino itself.
Oh, I was looking on the main board. That's why I couldn't find it. There is no white button there. Okay. Um,
Yeah.
now,
Just connect the USB and then press a reset.
yeah, I just did that. Didn't do anything. I think. Hold on.
Okay. If you can, it should work actually. With the auto
Ah,
serial monitor.
just hit reset.
Can you close that serial monitor on the VS Code and start it again? It seems to be stuck.
Okay.
So if you hover over that monitor task on the right, yeah, and that you see that trash button, yes,
All
like
right.
that.
Start
Now
again.
start it again. Yeah.
Still seems to be struggling. Let's hit reset again.
Yeah. Can okay.
This-
Okay, you got the
Now,
IP.
all right. Let me see if I can plug it back in. That can wait. Let's
Yeah,
use.
we can check the endpoint working. So we don't need the tumbler right now.
So what do we need
So
now?
the Farcaster VS Code.
All right, let me stop sharing. Okay, I have to get that. Okay, now what?
Now you see the tumbler dot local on 35 line 35.
Okay,
So remove the tumbler dot local and then 10.0. No, keep the HTTP. 10.0.0.208 was it?
210. All right,
And so and now you have to
start
start
this.
a terminal and then start a ngrok server.
I can just use this terminal, right? So I just, okay, what's the ngrok command? Let's see if it's in the history. I've got all this UV corn kind of
Yeah,
stuff.
you might also wait. So in the just on the left hand side, click right click and create a new file called .env on the left hand side. Yeah, just click a blank space and then .env.
Okay.
And now you see in the you can stop sharing, and then there is a private API key. Uh,
There's an
so
API.
type in the private chat of StreamYard.
Oh, okay.
So you can type in this equal to and the key value. Wait, just copy everything.
Okay.
Copy the last line. I put it in the private chat.
Okay.
The API key equal to the large number
I put it
in
in.
the .env file,
Yep.
and then save it and then close it.
Okay. There we go.
Yeah, now you can share it back.
Okay. Are we starting the ngrok server now?
Uh, can you? You might also need to create a self-signed SSL certificate, because I don't think it works without that. I'll
Uh,
give you the command. Wait. Open a terminal and then type this command, last command.
Separate terminal or in this terminal?
It doesn't matter. It might be. Wait, let me see my folder structure. Okay, so maybe you can move that .env file into that Farcaster frames folder. Just drag it. You see that .env? Yeah, just drag it inside that Farcaster frame. Yeah,
Okay.
not into PyCache, into one folder above. Yes, and if you can now in the terminal go into that Farcaster frame server directory, cd space.
Sorry, I'm getting the wrong one. Fast API
Just
frames.
yeah, fast APIs. Just type in and tab. Yeah, and now type in the command I pasted uh, in
You.
the private chat of StreamYard. Yeah, so this will create a private key. You can type in US. So this is like a self-signed certificate. It will create. Just
So,
type in anything, Washington or something. Yeah,
oh God.
yeah. It doesn't matter what you type. It's because yeah, you just need some cert. You can keep it empty. All this. Just keep on pressing enter. Yeah, if
Yeah.
you do an ls now, you see that cert.pem and that key.pem. So those are the files you need. And now type in this command in that terminal. So it will it will start the server with the self-signed certificates.
Oops. UV
Okay, your Python environment is not activated, so you will have to do
VN something.
no. That will cd dot do a cd dot go to the previous directory, and now source venv /bin /activate.
Oh, why didn't we
and
need to do this last time? Okay. Now
Okay,
back.
now, yeah, now back to the fast API frames directory and then that uvcon command. Now uvcon. Yeah.
Okay, it did something.
Okay. So you can do a pip install beautiful soup 4. This I have to put it in the requirements file.
Pip install,
Beautiful soup 4.
all one word.
Yeah. So this is so the paybot replies with a HTML uh, response, and then you have to parse it. So this is what like parses the response. So now it should work. Hmm.
API key not found in .env file. Oh, am I in the wrong directory? No, this is the correct one.
API.
Oh, is .env not in the right folder still?
It should be
Hold on. Yeah, .env is here.
there, right? Wait.
Yeah. Hold on. Let me make sure. Let me stop sharing and check to make sure it has. Yeah, it's just I just cut and paste what you put in the chat. API key equal to some long hexadecimal string. Is there
Yes.
anything else
Yeah.
that needs to be in?
Wait. Let me try it on my computer. Hmm. I'm facing the same problem. I changed it in the morning because I had it in the same file. It's not reading the file.
Okay, while you figure that out, I'll put this extension card back in.
Let me ask Claude what it says.
Huh. I plugged my board back in, and for some reason, the LEDs are now brightly lit.
Do a reset.
Okay, back to the reset being hard problem. Yeah, maybe I can just unplug and replug. No, it won't because that's.
Okay, add this to your Python file. This is what Claude is suggesting. So let's see. Uh, on if you show me your main.py file,
This has to be in main.py. Hold on.
yes.
Let me switch
So I
away
think it's not
from.
finding the correct path. That's right.
Oh, where am I? Wait, where the hell is main.py?
The one you are working in. So you can share the screen. I can show you.
Oh,
Just close the .env tab.
yeah, I closed that. Ah, here we go. Main. Okay, now.
Now you see I have pasted some Python code in the private chat of StreamYard that
Yeah,
construct the path for .env.
where do I put it?
Just put it above the API key. If you scroll down, yeah. So you are, yeah. You just put it there.
Oops. Hold on. It didn't copy properly. Okay.
Uh,
Not wrapping.
I, it's not wrapping, so you might have to press an enter from that env path. From that uh, .env, construct the path to .env file. After that, press an enter,
There we go.
and then maybe from logger.debug, press an enter, and then yeah,
Okay.
I think this should work. Yeah, just save it and then try to run it.
API key not found in env file again.
You have to load the. You have not copied the last line. The load
Oh, that's also
from the.
okay.
Yeah,
That looks like a comment. That's why.
yeah. Uh, no,
This one. Okay, got it.
yeah. So the other one is a comment. Yes,
Yep.
yes.
Okay.
Now it's
Finally
working.
started, I think.
Yes. And now if you open a terminal and start ngrok.
All right. Let's see. Can I open? What's the ngrok command?
Wait, I'll paste it.
Is it the same old one? Ngrok
Yes.
HTTP minus scheme something?
No, no, no. That will start force ngrok on HTTP. We want a HTTPS. It's this one. You might not need the ex.exe.
Command not found ngrok.exe. So I should get rid of n.exe. Oh, .exe would be a
For
Windows.
Windows. Yeah.
All right, it started something,
And
and I
it
have
should give you a URL.
yep, got one long annoying URL, of course. Oh,
But right now you don't have to copy it 12 times. It's just one place.
oh,
It's
you
the
fixed that nice.
so it's the line 32 that you have to change.
Okay, let's see. Line 32. Okay,
Uh, okay, it's quite okay. Yeah, you can save it
okay,
and then restart that uh, server here in the terminal. Press Control C and then just an up arrow and enter Control C or Command C.
oh, why isn't it? It is Control C.
And now just up arrow. It should give you the command and then enter.
Okay,
Yeah, and now if you go to a browser where you are logged into Wapcast.
okay. And now the frame validator page or something.
Yeah,
Do you have the link handy? We should really document this whole thing somewhere. Frames of validator. Oops. Let me share the right screen. Is this the page? Validation. No.
no, this is the AIRS track. We want the Wapcast. So if you go to that Parcaster docs, yeah, and then go down. I think it's in the advanced. On the left hand side, you see that advanced, and scroll down. Maybe resources is the on the left hand side. You see that where is it? Yeah, developer tools, Wapcast frame validator.
Okay, I'm just going to favorite this. Okay, so your frame URL is the one I just pasted, right? The ngrok one?
Yeah. If you can show me that tab.
Oh, I am. Okay, I thought I was sharing that. Okay, there we go.
Now, if you just remove that double quote and in the beginning too. Yeah, remove all those. And now that refresh button on the right.
All right.
Okay.
Working.
So you so the
Are you
money always
paying
comes to
yourself?
me, right?
Are you paying yourself now?
Oh,
The wallet account that gets paid to is attached to mine.
hold on, let's fix this LED problem now before you're
Yeah.
seven. Oh, you're can you?
No, you don't need the tumbler attached to check the commands. So you just need the serial monitors. Um,
Okay.
Anurag, do you have a surge payment on the site?
eventually, I will. The one who pays the most gets the reward.
Right. Where's the? All right.
Uh, yeah, if you're also logged into your wallet on this browser, right? Because it will give you
Yep.
a pop-up.
Yep.
It will not show on this tab you are sharing, but you can sign it. Just click pay
Click pay where?
on the frame. On the frame itself, you see that what is my purpose, and then there is a pay button.
Oh, there.
Yeah, the
Okay.
but yeah. So what is happening now? It's going to the paybot endpoint, and then it generates a frame
Ah,
that has the transaction
Okay. Let's see.
and so you
So,
will pay to this Infinity Rover Farcaster wallet.
are you able to see my MetaMask?
Yes.
You are.
So you can share the Farcaster frame VS code. You see the outputs there.
Oops. Give me a second to log into my wallet. Let's see if I have any.
Or I can send you some USDC, and then you can send it to me. It should arrive quickly. You don't
All
have
right.
it. I'll bring my wallet.
Should. Okay, I'm connected. Oh, unable to load frame action from frame server. What the hell?
I think there is a timeout on
Ah,
the frame server.
okay. Let me try again. This time I should be logged in properly. All right. Continue. Continue in wallet. Optimism. Base name. Let's see. One USDC. Do I have any? I think so. Okay. What should happen?
It should take you to a frame that says control tumbler.
Oh, yeah, it is. Let me share that again. Oops. Okay. And let me see if I can switch my camera too.
Anurag, is anybody in the waiting room? In the backstage?
N- no, but
Okay.
Venkat's like display pic is, I think, from the from Kiran's display pic. I don't know how they have exchanged it, but it seems like that.
Hold on.
Okay, I got the money, so bye bye.
Uh, Okay, that should be my thing. All right, let's see if I can control it. It's still showing all the.
Yeah, I think there is some. You can reset it.
I did
Turn off
reset
the
it.
battery. Turn off the battery.
Yeah, that might work. All right. Hold on.
Wait for some maybe 5-6 seconds. Let it connect to the Wi-Fi.
Okay.
And now, if you press Control Tumblr, let's see what happens.
All right. Forward, back, stop. Should we try?
Yeah.
You paid. What does it say? It's your dime. But do you pay for each command?
No, it's just like one.
Oh,
Yeah. So
First
I
you
had.
take the money and then you don't provide.
So I was facing this problem. So basically, like it only works for me when I'm connected with a USB.
so should I
I
try
don't know
connecting
why.
me?
Yeah, we can try it.
Okay, let's do that
I was
then.
thinking it's because of my battery, but like I'm not sure now. Where is the problem?
Okay, so I've connected to USB. What should I do now? Try again? Or give it a
Yeah.
second? Let me turn it upside down though. Can you guys still see it?
Yes.
Yes, it's working now. How many
Can
commands
you?
do I get to get?
Well, there is no limit right now. Yeah. So I don't know what's the problem here. Why doesn't work without the USB? Like there is no relation to the Farcaster frame or the hardware because it's just forwarding. So you have the same problem.
Okay, so this is something, well, I don't have the same problem. This is your problem. I'm just doing the monkey remote control testing of your stuff.
Yeah, but this is strange. Like, why would it? Uh,
But okay,
why would the Firecaster Python frame have problems with the USB?
okay,
Can you try it again? Just without the USB.
okay.
Does it time out?
Let's try again. Yeah, nothing is happening.
Does it time out?
Yeah, I'm waiting to see if it times out. I think it will. Yep, timed out.
This is a strange problem. Need to figure out. But yeah, that is the state right now.
Well, at least I've got as far as you and I'm stuck at the same point, right?
Yeah.
So we've made progress. Right. Let me switch back to my FaceTime camera. Okay, progress. Okay. So right now, what you had me do, it's using a shared API key for that payment app, and that's your payment app account, and it goes to your wallet. But both
Yeah.
tumblers talk to the same payment gateway somehow, and once
Yes.
it sends back confirmation of payment, it activates the control panel, right?
Yeah. So it's basically it shifts, moves the endpoints where it goes, where it serves the frames HTML from. So initially it's just a pay button and then and a image. And when you the transaction, so it then it sends the transaction to the paybot guys server, so they have a API to interact with their endpoints, and then it when you have like the transaction has gone through, they send a frame back and some payload back. You can check this that payload to know if the transaction went through or not. And so I just check, okay, if the transaction hash is there, I go to a different endpoint on my server.
Okay. And if that same ngrok server URL, multiple of us have it, and many of us try to like pay and take control of the Tumblr, what happens? If Myra tried to do it at the same time as me, what would have happened?
Mm.
In other words, is there any what's the word?
No,
Exclusive?
like once the payment gate is unlocked, it's unlocked for everyone.
Ah,
Yeah.
Wait. So let me start sending commands. Oh, it doesn't work.
The Tumblr is turned off now, but I can turn it back on again if.
No, it's fine. It's fine. It's just.
So that needs to first,
I
this
have a
problem of USB needs to be figured out. Uh, like this is quite a strange problem. Why would it work just only with the USB?
Yeah, but I have a question regarding what you just said. It unlocks for everybody. What is a more logical way to provide remote control? That you unlock it for one person, or that you unlock it for a crowd?
So I also get the transaction hash. So what we could do is like keep a list of transaction hash, and for each transaction hash, we could give 6 moves or a certain amount of time to play with Tumblr. And when that uh, what transaction hash has been used once, you don't give more time or more moves after that, and then somebody has to pay again to get a new transaction hash, and then we can continue that. So something like that could be done.
And Mayor, if you want, you can use that URL and try to control it.
Just a second.
You have to be logged into Warpcast,
I am.
and then go to the developer frames
Just a
URL.
second. He says controls the Tumblr now that payment is complete. Just a second. Here.
Did you press forward or something?
No, just a second. Where's where do I find the frame?
If you type in Warpcast frame validator on Google, you should get a frame validator, and then you use this URL Venkat has typed into that frame validator. Because it returns an HTML, so you can also go there via browser, but you won't see the frame.
Wait. Oh no, I'm looking in the wrong place.
Let me paste this URL as well.
No, just a second. Where do I do the frame validator?
Here, I just get the link.
Okay.
And now paste the other URL above that into that.
Into the link and press a refresh,
Okay.
which I did.
Yeah.
And if I go back,
Yes, it's working.
yes, I see something happening. If I go forward, it's going forward. If I do stop, it stops.
Can you remove the USB now? Let's see. This is like I have no idea like how is it connected to the USB.
It must be some preference order. Are you trying Mayor? Is it giving you a timeout? Oh
I
no,
just saved forward.
Yeah, it's working. It's not connected to USB anymore.
Okay.
I think it's just the way of the world.
Hold
One
on.
guy pays and another guy enjoys.
Hold on. May I try again now? Maybe it's just the fact. Oh no, it's working.
Okay. Let's try the entire sequence again. That you pay me again. So you might have to close the server.
Make it turn?
So if you close the Farcaster, the frame server in your VS Code again, and so it should start the whole payment sequence again. So it will show the pay.
No, wait. Let's do something simpler. How about Venkatesh do what I did?
Okay.
Do it all from Warpcast. It works for me. Maybe now it'll work for you. And then let's try
that. Okay. Oh yeah, it's working for me now.
Okay. So can you close that frame server in VS Code and then start it again?
All right. Let me. Okay. Control C. Oops.
Unknown error communicating with the frame server. That's what I got.
Yeah, I just
turned
it off.
Yeah, but now your robot ran away because nobody told it to stop. It fell off a cliff.
So we learned something. Okay, now it's starting again. So now what do you have to do?
Now somebody has to pay.
Okay, hold on. All right, I'll pay again. It's just a
Yeah.
bug. So
No, he's not asking for money. But put it. Is it working?
no, if you refresh, it'll ask to pay again.
Yeah.
Pay.
Oh, you're also paying?
No, 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 no. I want to see what the process of payment looks like. Oh, it says that I pay from VGR.
No, but you won't be able to sign, right? You won't, Mayor. You won't be able to sign, right?
Let's
It's
find
only
out.
like right now it's
Okay.
hard coded so that
I
only
don't have a wallet that's VGR. So how do
yeah.
I say I'm paying instead of Venkatesh?
So what we can do is we can get the Farcaster ID of who is clicking the button, and then we can ask for the wallet attached to that account. So right now it's hard coded that either like you can use type in the username Farcaster name in the code, and then that is the wallet that gets triggered.
Hmm.
But anyway, Anuraj, to your point, the test is working now. It's not connected on USB. It's working.
Yeah.
And
So probably the problem is on my Tumblr.
but I also had the problem the first time.
So now it's not there, right?
Oh, sorry, I forgot to hold up the camera. But yeah,
So your Tumblr is working after the payment.
yes, it's
Okay.
working as it should.
Okay. So if you open that VS Code, uh, it stopped working. No, it's working.
No, it just ran into an obstacle. All
It's
right,
lucky somebody was available to give it new commands.
all right. So stop. So yeah, we need some higher level logic. Oh, why isn't this stopping? Did you start it,
Uh,
Mayor?
yes.
Oh,
And
you
I see a
oh,
video and I'm telling it what to do.
okay. So you and I are basically contending for command. So what happens if we like try and okay, stop it and let's try to give it conflicting commands at the same count of three. Okay. So when on my count of 1, 2, 3, on three you hit forward and I'll hit back. Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
You won. You're closer.
Actually, I don't know which direction is forward.
Yeah.
It went
Okay.
forward. Yeah.
Oh,
So I think the command that reaches first or the last one, because it will cancel the previous command.
Okay. So this is
So
actually
the last command that reaches, it will execute that one.
okay. So yeah,
So
excellent
if you
work.
open that VS Code
Hold on, let me get back to
Farcaster
the
frame screen.
computer camera. Okay, what do you want me to do here?
So I will show you where I'm. If you scroll down. So this is the endpoint. Just a little bit up. Scroll up a little bit more. A little bit more. Yeah, that's it. So this is that slash pay is the endpoint where the first payment endpoint comes from, and then the sender and receiver are hard coded. But I think if there is a way to get so when somebody clicks a button, you get the FID in that response from the frame server, and from the FID, I think you can find out who clicked the button, and from there you can basically replace that variable sender, which is hard coded to VGR right now, to the person who clicked it, and then basically it's possible to trigger the wallet they have. So right now it will trigger a wallet, but only you will be able to sign the transaction.
Okay. All right.
But the receiver can be the same.
All right.
Yeah.
That was very good progress. And now at some point I have to review the videos and like actually understand what I've been doing these last 3 monkey remote control sessions.
Yeah. I have to check my own Tumblr why I'm having probably it is some battery problem. So my battery seems to have become weak, and then it's not able to Like when the motors are running, I think the ESP might be resetting or not having some problem. So I ordered one more tumbler, just an extra one.
Oh, okay. It could also be something to do with Windows. You're on Windows, right? Maybe Mac
Hmm.
works better with, like, I don't know, priority order of com links or something like that.
Yeah, I might also change the battery and see. So I have this my old rover's battery. I might replace the battery with that one. So
Yeah.
and check.
Okay, and if there are two tumblers live, each running their own frame server, they'll each have their own control panel, right? So they're essentially unrelated. They're running separate copies of the code. There's no central coordination point, except the payment account is shared, right? But
Well, so like you can copy the code and then each you can run it on your own computer. So that way each robot gets its own server. But if you want a common payment gateway, then we basically need to separate like once the payment part and the control part, that needs to be separated. So right now everything is just a single code.
okay,
So first there should be the part of the code that checks the payment should communicate with the part of the code that controls, and then probably we should have like different instances of the control endpoints. Or I don't know how to do it, but we'll find out.
and I guess eventually it would make sense to run a single frame server on a DigitalOcean
Yeah.
droplet. Have that. How would it talk to the different rovers? It would be again ngrok or tailscale or something.
Uh, yeah. We could connect the rovers to Tailscale,
Okay.
but uh, for that we'll need a RPi right now, because the Tailscale doesn't have a ESP32 uh, library, or it's not that easy. They have a C library, but I don't think it's easy to port. And then PageKite has a MicroPython library.
So
So if
wait,
we
when you
can,
say RPi, this would be like a big brain thing on top of the tumbler talking.
yeah, it's kind of like you can use it as a sync or something. What is it called? It's called some. So RPi can assign an IP to stuff that doesn't have this on which Tailscale cannot run. So there
Okay.
is a way to do it. I don't know the terminology they call it, but it's like a endpoint subnet. I think it's called a subnet router. So like the IP is assigned by RPi, and the commands go via an RPi. So whoever wants to run a Tumblr, so we can like get the Tumblr IP from via that RPi, and then the frame server basically sends selects which Tumblr is free, and then it can route it to that
Okay.
Tumblr.
All right. So
Yeah.
lots of
But
interest.
we can try. Let's see if I can. So next week, I'm in 2 weeks. I'm traveling, but let's see if I can do something by next week. So I try to.
I'm
Then
not
we
gonna
can
be in
try.
next week or the week after.
Sorry,
I'm gonna miss the next 2 weeks.
next 2 weeks.
Yep.
Okay. But let's see if I can do something by next week, and then we can test two tumblers at a time. So that like either one of us pays, and then it gives you a control. But that still needs to be thought out. Like if multiple people, if two rovers are free, then how would you show different UIs or control frames to different people? That needs to be figured out. Yeah. But this is getting tightly integrated to Farcaster itself at the moment. Yes. I have to go in 5 minutes.
Uh,
Yeah, and I also need to figure out why that USB thing is not. What is the voltage on your battery?
I'd have to test it.
Okay.
Yeah, but I mean, you can just charge it, right? It's just a regular.
Yeah. So I'm just wondering what is happening. Maybe I'll replace the uh, plug-in board and see what's happening. Or you'll have to measure it.
Yeah, I know.
So charge your battery fully and then let me know like what is the peak voltage you have on that battery.
Yeah.
Uh,
All right.
anything else?
I think we're done.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay. Then I'll try to do something by next week. I don't know how much, but let's see.
Let's see how much I can actually catch up on understanding what we're doing. I'm way behind
Yeah.
on this
And
stuff.
Mayor, if you can also set up your Tumblr the same.
Hmm. Well, it's 2 weeks. It's 3 weeks from now. You have to remind
Okay.
me.
Yeah.
Make sure to
Okay.
charge and everything. Yeah.
Okay then. See you
All
next
right.
week.
See you guys.
Bye.